Hi there. Today we're diving into how to create realistic AI avatars using Dzine's consistent character feature like this. You can have your virtual character sit in different rooms and wear different outfits, and quickly add various props that fit the generated character scene and environment, such as this microphone. You can also place additional items or products in the background to further enrich the setting. If you're looking to craft a lifelike character for your YouTube videos or any other project, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through my workflow, showing you how easy it is to create an AI avatar. So, let's get started. Before diving into the details, let's quickly review the process of using consistent character. First, upload the training images for your character. Choose a set of multi-angle images, name your character, and begin training. Next, enter the prompt and select the canvas ratio to generate the image. Finally, preview the result and download the image. Now, let's start with the first step, finding the perfect base image. First, let's begin by finding a base image. Head over to Pexels, a free stock image platform, and search for a model photo that fits your vision. Choose an image that suits your character's look, style, and personality. When searching for a model, it's best to find a set of clear, expressive images from various angles. This will result in the best training model and most realistic avatar. You can also use Dzine to personalize and customize the model you want. With the text-to-image feature, simply input your specific prompt. For example, I might want an image of a girl with big blue eyes and medium-length center-parted curly hair. Then crop and zoom on the image. To minimize the impact of other elements on the training, and finally, click to download. There's an even quicker method. Use the character sheet feature. Select the Dzine Realistic V2 style and enter your prompt. This feature allows you to generate model images from multiple angles all at once. Now that your model is ready, it's time to bring it to life with the Consistent Character tool. Simply upload your image, enter your character's name, and click Train to start the process. Once training is complete, the system will automatically generate a basic prompt. You can modify this prompt to control your character's outfit, environment, and more. Now, down below, the aspect ratio offers various options. You can choose the one that best fits your needs. I want to create a tutorial video on how to make gingerbread men. So in my prompt, I included detailed descriptions of the apron and the home kitchen environment. This helps generate higher quality images that better match my expectations. To make your model more realistic, you can add accessories or items such as a microphone or headphones. These small details will make your avatar feel more lifelike. If you want the microphone to stand out, use the Remove Background feature to isolate it and turn it into a sticker. Before doing this, make sure to crop the microphone separately and use the Enhance function to sharpen the image, ensuring that the Remove Background tool works accurately. You can then layer the items over your video clips, ensuring that the lighting, shadows, and environment match perfectly with the avatar's generated image. Just remember to add the stickers during post-editing, as these items might interfere with Hedra when generating the speech video. You can also use the Insert Object feature to easily add promotional products to the scene. Simply import the sponsor's product image, define the selection area, and provide a description of the item. Then click Generate, and you'll get a perfectly adapted product display image that fits the environment. In this case, I first removed unnecessary elements from the kitchen countertop, such as the sink, faucet, and dishes, to create enough space for the items I wanted to generate. To highlight the theme of making gingerbread men, I added an unfinished gingerbread house on the countertop to enhance the atmosphere. Now that you have your avatar, it's time to write the script for your video. You can use Chatgpt to generate a voiceover script based on your content. It's a great way to save time and come up with professional, engaging narration. Once you have your script, take it to ElevenLabs to convert your text into natural-sounding voiceover. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a delicious gingerbread man from scratch. Whether you're celebrating the holidays or just love baking, this recipe is easy and fun. Let's get started. Download it and proceed with the final video composition. To make your avatar talk, use Hedra. Upload your generated voiceover and Hedra will sync it with your avatar's movements, making your character come to life in a talking video. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a delicious gingerbread man from scratch. Whether you're celebrating the holidays or just love baking, this recipe is easy and fun. Let's get started. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create stunning characters and high-quality content for your YouTube channel or any other project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tutorials.